Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next we go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then tap on notification sound. In the list here, go down and select one of the sounds that you would like to use. So I'm going to go to the calm section and choose one sound. So I'm going to choose masterpiece, for example. Now my sound is at the moment is on low or set to mute. So I'm going to go down and unmute it. And then I can tap on it so I can hear it. So I'm just going to tap it back on. It was on vibrate. So select one of the sound and then tap on the back key to go back. And you can see here now it has changed to masterpiece for notification sound. And that's it. So finally you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.